The contingency era was a very important era that started somewhere in the early 1960s. And what it did is it basically took a situation that confronted us and said that we can't find a way to really put how to solve a problem in a particular template. Okay? In other words, you might have the foundations and the tools of what you need to take care of a situation, but each situation presents itself differently. This specifically applies to law enforcement, firefighting, military, people that have to make decisions kind of on the spot based on the situation, and not every situation is exactly the same thing. Now, that's not to be confused with protocol. There are certain protocols in which we have to follow because the situation itself dictates that whenever a situation occurs, for the safety of the individuals involved and others, you need to follow a specific pattern of behavior. But most situations don't always have an exact template. So this is what contingency talks about. And I want you to look at some of the things I'm going to put up. I'm going to put an interview that I had with some really good men. These were firefighters, okay, who have retired from the Stoughton Police Department. And they're going to talk to you about how they led. And I think you're going to get a lot out of their interviews and how they plan for successorship, how they attack problems, how they solve them. A lot of servant leadership involved there. So pay specific attention to this interview. And I think you'll really like it.